Hey there, developers. I'm Serenity Caldwell at Apple. Did you miss day one at DubDub? Well, let's go back in time.
Good morning, and welcome to WWDC.
iOS 15 is here. Maps got an intuitive 3D redesign. Safari looks new on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and we introduced the amazing live text.
How cool is that?
We took FaceTime calls to the next level with spatial audio and portrait mode. And with SharePlay, you can now share your screen or listen to music or watch a TV show with your friends all in sync across your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV.
This is where you come in. We're offering new APIs to start playback that are designed to fit right into your app's existing video experience.
And speaking of, now Apple TV sounds even better with head-tracked spatial audio support. And with Find My Separation alerts, you'll never leave your AirPods behind. iCloud Plus keeps your online activity away from data collectors. App Library is on iPad now, and check out how to place widgets among apps on your home screen. AirPlay is coming to Mac, and a big round of applause for Universal Control. Look how I move between different devices as if they were one. Look how I drag and drop files. Look how cool I am. We took a big step with walking steadiness. You can share your health data with your family and your doctors with the Health app, or try some Tai Chi, Pilates, and mindfulness on your Apple Watch. Let's get back on track. Later this year, we're bringing ID cards to Wallet, home keys to unlock your home with just one tap, and say hello to Siri on third-party devices.
We believe Siri is most powerful when it's available throughout your house.
Then we learned about Xcode Cloud, how to stay in the zone with focus mode,
These tools help reduce distractions so that people can be in the moment.
how to build apps in Swift Playgrounds, Swift Concurrency, Swift UI. That's so many Swifts. Powerful new tools for developing high-end games, object capture for ARKit, and APIs for SharePlay.
Now we're all looking at the same canvas to draw together.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Not bad for day one, eh? Now, here's a peek at what happens tomorrow. Stay tuned for more amazing stuff. It'll be a great week. Buckle up. Your day 2 recap starts now. We learned how to analyze and classify sounds while sharing a cup of tea with John.
The demo app is using my Mac's built-in microphone to listen to sounds in the environment.
And discovered how to recognize custom audio with Shazam Kit.
What if you could play a video on your Apple TV and have a companion app that displays questions at exactly the right time?
At lunchtime, aerospace engineer Tierra Fletcher took us to space.
We are Voyagers, collecting data beyond our solar system.
Then we explored Screen Time API with Nolan,
Homework encourages good habits by restricting a child's access to certain apps,
designed inclusive apps with Cynthia, and learned how to quickly implement in-app subscriptions with StoreKit 2. We found out how you can use nearby interaction with third-party accessories.
For example, you can create a nearby peer configuration when you want to start a session between 2 iPhones that are running your app.
And discovered how to build a simplified sign-on process for tvOS. No password needed. What a packed day. I think I need to go visit the Health and Fitness Pavilion and check out today's Mindful Cooldown. And here's a quick preview of what's coming tomorrow. Pretty cool stuff, eh? See you along the way. Ready for your day 3 recap? Here we go. We discovered how to bring real-world objects into augmented reality. Ari showed us how to design incredible actions and shortcuts for our apps.
You open your app up to a world of shortcuts possibilities.
While Yusuf helped us add some style to our user interfaces.
This makes the label wrap around to as many lines as needed,
Check out the new button system, pop-up, accessible design, and so much more. And hey, speaking of, did you catch Apple engineers and designers as they shared how we built Apple Watch with accessibility in mind?
I mean, we're talking about real sci-fi kind of things right now.
Amazing! Meanwhile, we explored how to turn people into superheroes with vision.
This is cool.
Can't wait to try that. We discovered how to move beyond passwords with iCloud Keychain and passkeys.
This is the first step of a multi-year effort in replacing passwords.
Phew, I'm gonna feel so secure. And we learned how you can create interactive, memorable experiences to onboard people into your app. And there's so much more amazing stuff on the way. Was a trip. Your daily recap at WWDC starts in 3, 2, 1, go. We found out how to easily extract document data with the Vision framework.
So I created a little app in which I can now scan our survey cards.
And we learned how to design for spatial interaction. Then app creator Dan Harris and his book co-author Jeff Warren shared stories and meditation techniques for fidgety skeptics.
We've been doing a lot of talking about meditation. I do think it would make sense to take a quick break and do 5 minutes. You game for that, Jeff?
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, and we also learned about the importance of protecting people's privacy online.
We recognize the importance of providing a more private way to measure ads.
And a big congratulations to the winners of the Apple Design Awards. Your apps and games are just... Exactly. Tomorrow will be the last day at WW. Check it out. So many colors. Bye-bye. Whew. What a ride we've had at WW. Here's your recap. We learned how to create apps for research and care.
We can provide educational text from the clinicians.
This cutting-edge research is going to help so many people.
And discovered how to design for Safari 15's tab bar and incorporate visual intelligence.
Well, that's what we've done in Safari 15.
Beautiful. We also explored how to build Mac apps with SwiftUI.
Its APIs and concepts apply to all platforms.
And said hello to CloudKit Console.
The next time I launch the console, it will bring me straight to the last container I visited.
Wow. How is it Friday already? There was just so much. Async await, Xcode Cloud, SharePlay, Metal, mindful cooldowns for coding, watchOS, Kira Fletcher's amazing talk, Xcode, gaming, accessibility. Oh, we hope you had a great week and cannot wait to see what you make this fall. Ciao.